Hello, today I will guide you on how to use 5D Plus Library, a plugin that helps you manage your libraries in SketchUp. On the SketchUp toolbar, click on the 5D Plus Library icon to open the main interface. First, add a folder from your computer to the library. You will see the left column displaying the newly added collection, and its initial name will be the folder name you selected. The right column displays the contents of the folder. If the folder contains subfolders, they will appear with a thumbnail. You can browse through the subfolders by clicking on their thumbnails. If the folder contains SketchUp files, their previews will also be shown. You can also quickly add a new collection to the library while browsing a folder by clicking the plus icon in the corner of a thumbnail. You can rename this collection to whatever you like using the rename option from the right-click menu. Renaming collections is just for easier management in the library, and this action does not rename the original folder on your computer. Heart a SketchUp file to add it to your favorites collection. Meanwhile, the Show Details button will display detailed information such as the name and size of the SketchUp file. The Thumbnails button allows you to adjust the preview size to make browsing the collection content easier. If a folder does not contain any SketchUp files, a notification will appear. Use the search box to find content by name. Try browsing to the last parent folder. Can you guess what it is? The last parent folder you can browse is the drive. Now, I will demonstrate adding and organizing other collections before moving on to the next part, using SketchUp files from the library. You can add a SketchUp file from the collection by clicking on the thumbnail. Wait a moment for the SketchUp file to be imported. You can click repeatedly to place the model in the correct position. Use the up arrow key to rotate 45 degrees counterclockwise and the down arrow key to rotate clockwise. The Replace Selected function from the right-click menu will be useful when you need to try different options. The Replace and Match function goes further by helping you automatically adjust the size to match the replaced object. The Recent collection will display the models recently inserted. The Favorites collection will display all the files you have previously hearted. The Active Models collection functions similarly to SketchUp's default component tray. It will display the components currently in use in the main model, but with more flexibility. Instead of showing everything, which can sometimes amount to thousands of components, as often seen in complex models, it will only display components based on the currently activated level. When you enter or exit a group, the displayed content will change accordingly. I believe this will help you better understand the structure of your model. Thank you for following this guide. See you next time.